Hello everyone! Welcome to my everyday's life. So today I'll be doing yoga after so many rains lately. So you hear our dogs barking. We better check what's going on. Oh, nothing. Some people are passing most of the times. Some people are swimming on the creek sometimes. But lately, we've been having so many rains. I will show you my outfit for today. This one, it's always my all-time favorite since the beginning. I got this first, the very first time I did my yoga. And this is my all-time favorite. Show. You can sip it, sip, sip, sip. Wait a minute. Zip it up. The print is so pretty. I like the black color. I like how it is here at the back. So it is my all-time favorite. I'm still having some runny nose, but not worse like the other days. I think something's going on down there. No. Maybe at the front gate. Just some kids on the bridge. Yeah. The creek is a little muddy since it's raining mostly at night, afternoon to night. See, my nose is running a little bit. My ear is messed up because I cleaned it and I think I poked it. But I will still be doing yoga. And I would like to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm very grateful. Even after the journey and now my everyday life. Thank you all guys.